May ikan ni katupya. Paibong peg. Tong mamaya manu ba ay mayame yang badi Christmas. Hatu simi ang gumno. Menyetok mamaya bi maya. Sisa. Ban tere maya me. Maya li cakap angel sya.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Sawlyngdoh Higher Secondary School Mookaïaw, kelapen ko Burom, ia ka kena school Jongka, kabawan haka kerdan kebasan jongka top 20, haka result jongka SSLC jongka embus. Kani ka kena kadai jinita pator. Ia kani jingalang per ko Burom lapen long hapelau jongka school, harkat ke jingedon lang, kinong ilam snong, kinong hikai, bat ka Meghalaya Pensioners Association. Haka jingalang berapan ya dumasi nongrum, kibla ajingkran ki kentup ya ka principal jongka school ka kong bari pator. Kabader ka kami jongka Janita Pator. Ladon lang ru Sawlyngdoh Vice President jongka Meghalaya Pensioners Association bat ihai pormi lalu dekot SMC. Ka Janita ka penpau jisongu ya ka school kinohikai bat ki kami kikpa ki blakersha ni ka borobor. Kalagan turu iki parakhna ban puli bat man minat ban poi syakatong.
Please give a big hand. Stand here to congratulate to Miss Janita Pator for her success on the recent SSSA examination result that she got the 5th position. So today is a proud and joyful occasion as we gather to honor the remarkable achievement of Janita Pator, who secured the 5th position in the Secondary School Living Certificate Examination 2026 with the outstanding 95.16%. So her success is a true reflection of hard work. Though we are here in rural areas, the reflection we got is her hard work, discipline, and determination. It is not only a personal achievement, but also a moment of pride to her family, to the teachers, and to the entire school community. So on this moment, I am reminded by one of the inspiring life history of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. As a young boy, he faced great discrimination and hardship in life. Yet he did not give up. Instead, he chose education as his path to success. Through dedication and perseverance, he rose to become one of the greatest leaders of our nation by becoming one of the chief architects of our Indian Constitution. So just like Dr. Ambedkar, Janita has shown only a mother guidance and support at home, but also the value of discipline and excellence upheld in the school. It is truly a proud moment for both the family and the institution. So we would like to also to express our sincere appreciation to all our teachers for their dedication and guidance, and to her family for the constant encouragement. Dear student, at this moment, let this moment inspire you. Success is not achieved overnight. We have to remember that success is not achieved overnight. It is built through consistency, effort, strong determination, and a positive mindset. So once again, on behalf of the School Managing Committee,
all present here today, I thank you, the school, for giving me this opportunity to give a speech. First and foremost, I want to thank God. Because He's graced my life with this opportunity that I know are not of my hand or any other human hand. Without His grace, none of this would have been possible. I would also like to thank my family because they've always believed in me and encouraged me, and that instilled in me the value of education, hard work, perseverance, patience, and discipline. I would also like to offer my deepest gratitude to my teachers. They've provided me with the confidence to figure things out, take risks, walk into rooms that challenge me, embrace discomfort and uncertainty, and to trust that I'm capable of more than I think. It is through their dedication and hard work that I'm able to be who I am today. My dear teachers, you're like a candle that gives light to others, a gardener who nurtures seedlings with great care so that they can grow and bear good fruits. My friends, you are also an important part of this journey of mine. Your companion, support, encouragement have all been very important to me, and together we have created memories, and I will always cherish them. To all the members of the SMC of Sawlyngdoh Higher Secondary School and the Mookaïaw Pensioner Association, Jong branch, I thank you for organizing this program because truly it inspires students like me to aim higher and strive for excellence. Your recognition, support, and encouragement means a lot. The journey of class 10 was no fairy tale for me. The feeling of being confused, not knowing where to begin, how to start, and getting lost numerous times. I never had a perfect routine. But my friends, it's never about the perfect routine. I may get lost, but I was resilient. All you need is resilience, consistency, perseverance. We should never be ashamed of trying. The truth of trial is that they are natural and we will face them in our everyday journey. The truth about trial is that they reveal our true strength. When everything is easy, we don't know what we are capable of. But when we face many challenges, we are pushed beyond our limits. We need to think differently and adapt to situations. One important truth about the trial. Another truth about trial is that trial helps growth. Without trial, growth is limited. It cannot be achieved properly. Another thing about trial is that it cannot be achieved without failure. It is a process. Trials help us to perfect ourselves. Many successful people have not achieved their goals without trials. It is the trials who make us the person who we are. So don't And also, don't be afraid of failure. You should not be afraid of failure, but you should, however, do your best to avoid it. This achievement of mine is not alone. It is the collective work of all, my friends, my teachers, and my family. Success has taught me that it is not about the destination, but it's about the journey we take to get there. It's about learning from the failures and keeping our spirits when we feel down. Success is about consistent hard work, dedication, determination, discipline, and the courage when everything is difficult. Once again, I would like to thank everyone present here today for this honor and encouragement. Thank you.